At York County Superior Court in Alfred on Thursday, jury selection in the trial of Mark Strong Sr. was halted after the Maine Supreme Judicial Court ruled that the questioning of potential jurors, which had been closed to the public and the media by Justice Nancy Mills, should be conducted in public. The Portland Press-Herald had filed a motion with the High Court arguing that the closure of jury selection was unconstitutional. With the selection process halted, Justice Mills held hearings on motions from both the prosecution and defense. The first motion was a request from defense attorney Dan Lilly for information regarding any deals prosecutors made with the so-called Johns. Prosecutors responded that no deals were made in exchange for testimony, but that clients were told if they pled guilty to one count and paid a fine based on their number of visits to the operation, they would not be charged with more counts. In another motion, Lilly asked that charges against Strong relating to invasion of privacy, which account for the majority of charges against him, be dropped. Lilly argued that clients of the prostitution operation were engaging in criminal behavior and should not have had any expectation of privacy.
Section defines private place as a place where one may reasonably expect to be safe from surveillance, including but not limited to changing or dressing rooms, bathrooms, or similar places. Now, it does not apply to bordellos, whorehouses, or the like. Those are places, and pardon me for the term, but Shakespeare uses, so I'm going to take some license. Those places are to commit crimes. I don't believe that anybody can make a rational argument that people who are breaking the law, namely having sex for money and have admitted it and have been adjudicated guilty, are entitled to privacy so that they can commit their criminal acts.
Whether they're committing criminal acts or they're not, at least under Fourth Amendment, whether they're committing criminal acts or not committing criminal acts isn't dispositive. The Fourth Amendment protects people, not places, and not particularly activities.
Justice Mills said that she would rule on the motion upon further review.